We'll guide you through how to fix common Trello issues you might encounter. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Trello website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. One common issue users face is boards not loading properly or missing boards. To resolve this, you need to clear your browser cache. In Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner, go to More Tools, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select Cached Images and Files, then click Clear Data. After clearing the cache, refresh the Trello page and see if your boards load correctly. Another issue could be related to browser extensions interfering with Trello. So, go and try disabling extensions one by one to see if that resolves the problem. To do this in Chrome, click on the three dots, go to More Tools, and choose Extensions. Toggle off each extension and check Trello again. If Trello is still not working as expected, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Disconnect and reconnect to your Wi-Fi, or try using a different network if possible. Additionally, make sure your browser and Trello are up to date, as updates can fix bugs and compatibility issues. If you continue to have trouble, you may want to reach out to Trello support for more detailed help. Remember, some issues require a bit of patience and troubleshooting, but these steps should cover most common problems. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.